All right, greetings, fifth grade students. It's been a while since we've talked. This is kind of day one of something new, something kind of exciting because I think we're all learning a new way to go through this process together. But anyways, I wanted to give you kind of a brief video explaining what to expect from me in fifth grade social studies as we move forward. So the first thing is we're going to kind of be utilizing a block schedule between the fifth and sixth grade teachers. For this class, Tuesdays and Thursdays at 8 a.m. I'll be posting assignments. So you'll be able to find those assignments, get through them. I'm kind of trying to focus on what's really essential. So a lot of times you'll notice most of the assessments or quizzes that I give you after your reading is only 5 questions. So instead of sitting there in the workbook and doing all those questions that take quite a bit of time, we're going to focus on what's really, really valuable in that area and move forward that way. Because I know this has got to be new for everybody, and we might have some hiccups and glitches along the way, but we'll problem solve as a group and figure things out as we go. So once again, Google Classroom, check it daily, especially your Tuesdays and Thursdays. When I'm going to be dropping your information and assignments into Google Classroom, and you'll be able to navigate from there, I think, with ease since we've done so much Google Classroom in the past. That being said, if you need to contact me, right now I am at home, obviously, with my 3 children. I have a 5-year-old that is doing preschool from home, so I have to kind of work with him on that a little bit. And then I have the twins that are 2 years old, so me being the only parent at home, as my wife is an accountant in the middle of tax season, sometimes it's not always my schedule, I guess, what I'm trying to get to, is not always one in which I can say, hey, at 9 o'clock I'm going to be online. Email me any questions that you have. I will check my email throughout the day and I'll get back to you as soon as I possibly can. So please bear with me. If I don't answer your email right away, I'm not avoiding you. I'm more than likely away from my computer for a little bit, taking care of my own kids. So what this will kind of look like, how to navigate through Google Classroom pretty easily. I'll be posting details in there once we get started. Today you're going to watch this video and you're going to do an IXL section. IXL in social studies is somewhat new. Because it's not part of what we normally get in IXL from the company, but they added it because they realize there's a lot of people that are starting to kind of have these learning opportunities online, so they gave it to us. When we use it, we're going to kind of, the first couple times, just go back and look at things. Like today we're going to be looking at the Boston Tea Party. You'll go through IXL just like you would for English, math, anytime you've used it in the past. It's pretty simple. So today won't take you a lot of time. And that's one thing. I don't want this to be something that's overwhelming to you as students. So, please communicate with me. That's the best way that we can work together on this, is that if you're having issues, contact me and talk to me, and I'll work around things with you, because I realize that everybody has a different set of circumstances, and I want us to work together to solve any problems along the way. So with that being said, look every day. I would check, just go into Google Classroom and double check, make sure you have your things done, and it shouldn't be that hard to navigate for you guys, once again, because we've kind of used Google Classroom in the past, and I think you guys understand it well. So I hope you're all safe. I hope that the weather warms up so you can get outside a little bit, and hopefully I see you guys soon, and that this goes well for you at home. Contact me once again with any questions that you have, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.